Today I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple Google Forms into one. This is incredibly useful when you've created separate forms for different purposes, but realize you need all those questions together in a single comprehensive form. Let's walk through exactly how to merge them. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the forms you want to combine, as this process requires access to all the forms you'll be merging. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent forms displayed. Navigate to the Recent Forms section and click on the form you want to use as your main form. This will be the base form where you'll import questions from your other forms. Choose wisely, as this form will serve as the foundation for your combined questionnaire. Once you're inside the Google Forms, scroll down to your last question. This step is important because it determines where the imported questions will be inserted. By clicking on your last question, you're essentially telling Google Forms where to place the new questions you're about to bring in. This ensures a logical flow and prevents questions from being inserted in the middle of your existing form. Now look over to the right panel of your screen. You'll see several options there, but the one you're looking for is the Import Questions button. Click on it. This button is the key to combining your forms, as it allows you to pull questions from other forms directly into your current one. A menu will appear showing you different tabs. Navigate to the Recent tab, which displays all the forms you've worked on recently. From here, select the form you want to combine with your current form. Once you've found it, click Insert. This action opens up all the questions from that secondary form for you to choose from. In the right panel, you'll now see all the questions from the selected form. Here's where you have flexibility. You can choose specific questions if you only need certain ones, or if you want to combine all the questions from that form, simply check the box beside Select All. This will highlight every question available. Once you've made your selection, click Import Questions. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Google Forms making sure you want to proceed with importing these questions. Click Restore to confirm. The questions will now be added to your main form, appearing right after the last question you selected earlier. If you have more forms you'd like to combine, simply repeat these steps. You can keep importing questions from as many forms as you need until you've built your complete comprehensive form. And that's it. You've successfully combined multiple Google Forms into one unified form, saving you time and keeping all your questions organized in a single place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.